LG Healthy Home Solutions. Healthy living starts at home. Welcome. We often think about health in terms of diet and exercise. But what about the air we breathe and the water we drink right here at home? Welcome to a healthier, smarter home. In today's video, we're diving into LG Healthy Home Solutions, where healthy living starts right at home. If you're passionate about indoor air quality, smart appliances, and creating a wellness-focused home environment, this is the video you can't miss. We'll explore how LG's innovative technologies, from advanced air purifiers to hygienic laundry solutions and energy-efficient HVAC systems, are designed to purify your air, protect your family, and enhance everyday living. You'll discover how cutting-edge LG smart home devices can transform your space into a safe, comfortable, and vibrant sanctuary. LG Healthy Home Solutions is more than just appliances. It's a commitment to your well-being, designed to empower you to take control of your health, starting within your own four walls. We're leveraging cutting-edge technology to create indoor living environments that actively contribute to a healthier you. It's about building a sanctuary where wellness thrives. Let's talk about air. Our air purifiers are engineered with advanced filtration systems to capture what you can't see. These systems feature HEPA filters, renowned for their ability to remove dust, allergens, and even microscopic harmful particles from the air. Breathe easier knowing you're creating a cleaner, fresher atmosphere for yourself and your family. Our air purifiers also offer Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to monitor and manage your home's air quality remotely. Check the air quality index from your phone, adjust settings, and receive notifications, all from the palm of your hand. Real-time air quality monitoring ensures optimal performance. The purifier automatically adjusts its fan speed based on the detected air quality, ensuring continuous purification. With LG Healthy Home Solutions, you gain peace of mind through proactive air quality control. It's about creating a healthier, more comfortable living space, one breath at a time. Now, let's turn our attention to water. Clean, refreshing water is essential for overall health, and our water purifiers are designed to deliver just that. We also offer refrigerators with built-in water filtration systems, providing convenient access to purified water directly from your refrigerator door. No more relying on bottled water or cumbersome pitchers. Our filtration systems are designed to remove contaminants, ensuring that the water you drink is as pure as possible. This reduces the risk of exposure to harmful substances and contributes significantly to your overall health and well-being. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your water is clean, safe, and refreshing, thanks to LG's commitment to water purity. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in your daily life. We're taking hygiene to the next level. Our refrigerators feature UV nanotechnology, which sanitizes the water dispenser nozzle. UV Nano utilizes ultraviolet light to eliminate bacteria and germs, ensuring that the water you dispense is not only pure but also hygienically clean. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in minimizing the spread of germs. Our washing machines also incorporate steam technology. This powerful feature eliminates allergens and bacteria from your clothing, providing a deeper, more hygienic clean. Steam cleaning is gentle on fabrics while being tough on germs, promoting a healthier and more hygienic laundry experience for you and your family. It's about going beyond just clean to truly sanitized. The heart of LG Healthy Home Solutions is smart technology. Our LG ThinQ app allows you to monitor and control your appliances from anywhere. Receive maintenance alerts directly through the app, ensuring your appliances are always running at their best. Stay informed about filter replacements, cleaning schedules, and any potential issues. The LG ThinQ app also provides access to personalized recommendations for optimizing your home environment. Learn how to improve air quality, conserve energy, and create a healthier living space based on your specific needs. Proactive management of your indoor wellness is now at your fingertips. With LG ThinQ, you can ensure your appliances operate efficiently and effectively, contributing to a healthier and more comfortable home. Our ultimate goal is to help you create a sanctuary of health within your own home. We focus on 3 key pillars: air quality, water purity, and hygiene. By integrating smart technology, we empower you with comprehensive control over your indoor environment. You can actively manage and optimize your living space for maximum health benefits. We understand the growing consumer demand for health-focused products. That's why we're committed to developing innovative solutions that address your needs and concerns. LG is positioned as a leader in smart home technology, dedicated to improving your well-being through innovative and intelligent solutions. We believe that healthy living starts at home, and we're here to help you create the healthiest home possible. LG Healthy Home Solutions are designed to create a safer, cleaner, and more comfortable living environment. With advanced technologies like air purifiers, hygienic laundry systems, and energy-efficient HVAC solutions, LG helps improve indoor air quality, reduce allergens, and promote overall wellness. By combining smart innovation with a focus on health, LG makes it easy for families to enjoy healthier living, starting right at home. Thank you for considering LG Healthy Home Solutions. We invite you to explore our range of products and discover how we can help you cultivate a healthier living environment for yourself and your loved ones. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.